All right, we've got another new high in natural gas for the current trend, but some signs of stalling a little bit. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. You can see that it almost hit the 61.8% retracement, which is also a weekly high, with today's new high of 380. That high is the next level is 383, the 62% retracement, and that weekly high, so 383. It almost hit that, and you see it backed off a little bit. So upper momentum is retained. However, it is showing signs of slowing yesterday and then today, and it's almost at a target. So even if it goes a little bit higher, we have potential resistance there that has to be dealt with. That means that a pullback may be coming, and the first sign of that is below today's low of 364. The levels initially to watch are the purple 20 moving average and orange 50 moving average from 355.56 down to 353 or so. That'll be key how price behaves around those moving averages as potential support. We have two things happening here. Notice that the 50 longer term is rising, but the shorter term 20 is still going down given this behavior over here, this sharp drop. So we'll have to see what happens next with this relationship, but it could provide some clue as to the strength or weakness of this trend, particularly if the 20 moves back above the 50. And the fact that the 50 is rising is bullish by itself, even with the negative 20 going down. So the expectation would be for some pullback and consolidation before natural gas is ready to proceed. And that pullback and consolidation could take some time. We'll have to wait and see. Excuse me. However, if there's a decisive breakout above this week's high, moving to the weekly chart, okay, that will be a weekly breakout, and then a follow-through needs to happen. So just breaking out, it needs to see further strength after that happens. It would be better to stall and rest a little bit first before it makes an attempt to break out through that weekly high, at least in my opinion anyway. Okay, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend.